Join me as I dive into the fascinating world of radiation-consuming fungi found in Chernobyl and see if they could really protect astronauts in space. Radiation-consuming fungi may sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, but they're real and they could have a major impact on space travel. Astronauts face a multitude of challenges when they're in space, and one of the biggest is radiation exposure. Space is filled with all sorts of harmful radiation that can damage the human body, causing everything from nausea to cancer. Prolonged exposure to this radiation can have serious long-term effects on an astronaut's health, making it a major concern for any space agency. Radiation exposure is also a big concern because it can damage an astronaut's DNA, which can lead to genetic mutations and other problems. This is especially worrying for astronauts on long-term missions, who will be exposed to this radiation for extended periods of time. The effects of radiation exposure can also be cumulative, meaning that the more time an astronaut spends in space, the more likely they are to experience negative health effects. This is a major challenge for space agencies, who need to find ways to protect their astronauts from this radiation. Astronauts also have to worry about the psychological effects of radiation exposure, which can be just as damaging as the physical effects. The stress of being in a high-radiation environment can take a toll on an astronaut's mental health, making it harder for them to perform their duties. The fungi found in Chernobyl are incredibly resilient and can survive in environments with high levels of radiation. They do this by using a special type of melanin, the same pigment that gives human skin its color, to absorb and break down the radiation. This process allows the fungi to not only survive but actually thrive in these environments. The unique properties of these fungi make them fascinating subjects for study, and scientists have been eager to learn more about them. By studying how these fungi are able to survive in high-radiation environments, scientists hope to gain a better understanding of how to protect astronauts from radiation. These fungi have evolved a range of strategies to cope with the radiation, including the production of antioxidants and other chemicals that help to neutralize the harmful effects of the radiation. This has led to a range of potential applications, from medical treatments to environmental cleanup. The discovery of these fungi has also raised interesting questions about the origins of life on Earth and how it might have evolved in other parts of the universe. If life can thrive in a place like Chernobyl, then it's possible that life could exist in other environments that are similar. The latest research findings suggest that these fungi may have applications in space travel, possibly leading to innovative protective measures for astronauts. Scientists are exploring the possibility of using the melanin produced by these fungi to create a type of radiation shield that could be used to protect astronauts on long-term missions. This could be a game-changer for space travel, as it would allow astronauts to venture further into space without having to worry about the dangers of radiation exposure. The potential applications of this technology are vast, and scientists are eager to continue researching and developing it. The use of fungi-based radiation shields could also have implications for other areas of space exploration, such as the establishment of permanent bases on the Moon or Mars. If astronauts can be protected from radiation, then it becomes more feasible to establish long-term settlements in these environments. Further research is needed to fully explore the potential of these fungi, but the initial findings are promising and suggest that this could be a major breakthrough in the field of space exploration. The potential impact of these fungi on space exploration is huge, and ongoing research in this area is crucial to realizing their potential. If scientists can unlock the secrets of these radiation-consuming fungi, then it could pave the way for a new generation of space travelers. Let me know what you think about this discovery in the comments below, and be sure to check out my other videos on space exploration for more fascinating stories like this one.